Hey friends, so we just finished a live a little bit ago on the channel here. Hold on. And I told you guys my July Boxycharm by Ipsy arrived and I wanted to film it. So I'm filming it and letting y'all know that every Monday, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Do you need me? No? Okay. Every Monday, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we're going live over here. We're doing Get Ready With Me, so we're doing everything. Taking requests within reason. And I'm still cleaning up from the mess, but it was a good fun time. So Stephanie actually requested a live a live empties video, so that's what we're going to do this coming Monday. And then Johnny and I are actually going to be live tomorrow, Wednesday, the 31st at 6:30 p.m. So make sure that you are subscribed and everything for that. And let's go ahead and unbox our July, which, matter of fact, fun fact, what did I start? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 7 years ago this month, I unboxed my first ever Boxycharm box. I know it says Ipsy, but now Ipsy and Boxy are like together. And I'm actually going to get to be featured in the August Boxycharm by Ipsy. Do I want to cry about it? Yes, but I'm not gonna. I'm so freaking excited. We were actually talking about that in today's live, how it's like such a full circle moment, and I could not be more appreciative because it's because of you guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the July box, and I am so excited. I don't have anything ready. I didn't even plan on filming it, and I was like, let's go ahead. The live was so much fun. It went like over an hour and a half. Did not plan that, but anyways, so here is this. Now I didn't make any pics. I know, surprise, surprise. I didn't make any pics because I wasn't for sure if I was gonna do it, but then I saw that I was going to be in the August box, the Unconditional palette, and I wanted to take my chance and get it, so I went ahead and signed up, and of course that means I got the July box. So no clue of what is in it. Okay, so first in here, I see the Ole Hendrickson. Probably didn't say that correctly, but that's fine. The Banana Bright Eye Cream. I'm actually happy with this because I have used this in the past and I actually really like it. So, yay. That is awesome. That was my first item. The next item in here is, and I received this in PR, and honestly, I've not tried it out yet. If you guys want to see it in a live, we can do that in a future live. This is the Laura Geller Seasonless Staples Wildflower Wishes palette. Now this, if Haley doesn't want it, I'll put it in a future giveaway, which stay tuned for everything on that. Got it down here to use, but I want to show you guys, if you haven't seen it, what it looks like. So it's in like your standard type of cardboard packaging, and then here's the shades. Very pretty, like warm, definitely outside my cozy zone, because you guys know I'm more of like cooler tones, I guess. I don't know. By the way, I will link the live videos for you guys down below if you guys want to check it out. Alright, next in here I got Oh My CL Cheeky Flush Cinta London. Okay, it's a little plasticky component. Ooh, okay, that honestly, that is gorgeous. I really love this blush color a lot. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It's like a cream to powder, maybe? I got plastic on my finger. I don't know, but oh, that is so wild. It's like a putty. Okay, that is pretty crazy. The payoff is not as vibrant as I expected, but it's gorgeous. It's very pretty. I like this. Kind of reminds me of Persona Cosmetics for some reason. I don't even know if they have. I've never tried their blushes, I don't think, but maybe it's the packaging and stuff. Alright, next in here we've got a liquid eyeliner by Pear Nova. This will just get gifted right over to Haley because she is Queen Liquid Eyeliner here. I don't know if I'm in focus. Fingers crossed. And then last but not least, oh, I got a Tula Skincare Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum, SPF 30, and Light Medium Neutral. This might, I don't know. It's a tint, so maybe it won't be as light. Okay, this could potentially work. Maybe. I don't know. Well, you know what? We're going to try. Maybe it'll blend out. It's got to... Oh. You guys probably can't tell that, but I'll just gift it over to Haley or my youngest, because that's going to match their skin tone. And the skin tint that I use is by Color Science in Tan, and that's the sunscreen that I love. It has, when I'm doing like a skin tint, love that. But I do like that I received that. So after unboxing everything, honestly, like I made 0 picks, 0 choices. And I mean, the only thing that I won't use 100% hands down is this. And of course the sunscreen, because it's just not my shade. But I'm a little surprised, Ipsy, because normally you guys know I will like on Ipsy, especially if I didn't make choices on stuff. But I like that they lucked out. I know I like this, so that's good. Okay, so that makes me happy. And this, I mean, oh, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, well, ignore my face over here, but I kind of want to put this on real quick because I really like the consistency of that. It's definitely a builder-upper, but it's pretty. It is definitely a pretty blush shade. So, ooh. Okay, well, that's everything of my Ramble Fest, but I'm pretty pleased with everything. And you guys told me in today's live, I'm going to open this and keep this down here. I really love that. I shouldn't have probably opened it, but I'm gonna because I'm almost out of my Kiehl's avocado. So I'll be using this every time I sit down here. Anyways, a lot of you guys told me, or one of you guys told me that somebody has already started unboxing the Ipsy for August and the Unconditional palette was in there. It's a power pick. So like Ipsy's actually choosing this for some people's boxes and I was so excited. So anyways, let me know down below what your thoughts were for my July paid for box. And if you do want to sign up, they did give us an affiliate link. Thank you if you do decide to sign up. And if you do want to sign up for the August box, which I know this is going up July 30th, you'll still get the August box. And then of course you'll make your pick August 1st for the August box. So just keep that in mind how that works. But thank you if you do use my affiliate link. I greatly appreciate it. This is huge, guys. This is insane. So if you do want to pick up the Unconditional palette, I will have it listed and linked down below. Code HOTMESS will save you 20% at OFRA. If you want to pick up, which I had it on my cheeks and then I just went over it, but it's also, both of these are on my eyes. This is a Sweet and Sassy collection, and I have the Gemini lip and Butterfly Kisses on. But yeah, this was the blushes that I used in today's lab, and then some of the shades are also on my eye as well. It's actually Dream Big, Hallway Meetings, and Sweet and Sassy is what's on my eyes with Fam Bam from the Unconditional palette. But yeah, you can pick this up right now currently at OFRA Cosmetics. And you can also get this at OFRA and at ultabeauty.com. Could you imagine if we get the Sweet and Sassy palette at ultabeauty.com? Goals, goals, baby goals. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. Like I said, if you do want to go ahead and sign up for the Boxycharm by Ipsy, I will have a link down below for you guys. If you want to replay, watch the lives, that there's 2. I'll have them both linked. We got like 37 minutes into the one and I ended up getting a call, and then I realized you can put your phone on airplane mode and actually be live. So it's a learn as we go kind of process. So anyways, check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the House. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Haley and I will be back. She's currently moving, literally as we speak, moving into her new house that they purchased, and we'll be back with our podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess, when things settle down. So anyways, friends, thank you bunches and bunches for watching, and catch me Wednesday at 6:30 here on YouTube with Jotty, and then every Monday at 1 p.m. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I'm so excited for August.